Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is minus set operator. Minus set operator is a typical operator which can be used to display the rows which are present in the first query but absent in the second query with no duplicates. If we have two tables, T1 and T2, and if you want to find all the records in table 1 which are not present in table 2, then you can use a minus set operator. So it displays rows which are present in the first query but absent in the second query with no duplicates. There should not be any duplicates. Minus operator is supported in Oracle but not in MySQL. How do we do it? We'll just check that. Let us use couple of tables, student 1 and student 2. You can see some few records are there here and some 4 records are there in student 2. And then if I want to use the minus set operator in Oracle, it is pretty easy. What is my requirement now? This is a table called student 1 and this is a student 2. I want to see all the records which are present in student 1, but they should not be there in student 2. How do we do it? So in this case, we say 234 Mark Bangalore. Is it there in here? It is not there. 235 Steve Delhi. It is not there here. 236 Harry Mysore. Yes, it is there in this one. This also should be eliminated from the result. So it is pretty simple in Oracle. All you got to do is select star from student 1 minus select star from student 2. You'll get a result where you can get only those records which are specific to the student 1, even taking out the common records as well. And what if you want to do B minus A? That means student 2 minus student 1. All you have to do is mention the table first. This is student 2 and this is student 1. So mention that first, then mention the student 1. We'll get all those records which are there in student 2 but not present in student 1. What if you want to do this in MySQL? In MySQL, minus operator and except operator are not supported. How do we do it? There is a hack. We can definitely do this in MySQL by using a left join and also provide a condition on right table. When we see the example, it will be a bit more easier to understand. What if you want to do B minus A? That means right table minus left table. In that case, you can go for a right join and condition on the left table. So here, if you take the example, what is happening as a part of the left join? In left join, we'll get all the records from the left table, that is student 1, and only the matching records from the right table. So our result would be these 4 records. Wherever the records are not matching in the right table, nulls will be introduced there. But what is that we want as a part of the minus operator? We want only those records which are present only in student 1. In that case, we can go ahead and construct a query in such a way that do a left join between student 1 and student 2, the condition being roll number on both the tables, but select only those records student 2 roll number is null. So what will happen here is only these records will be chosen. Then isn't it a minus? Yes, it is a student 1 minus student 2. Right? This is how we can do a minus operation using a left join. What if you want to select all the columns? Pretty simple. All you have to do is student 1 dot star from student 1 left join student 2 using roll number and present the same condition whatever we discussed earlier. So it will give all the columns. What if you want to do B minus A? That means you want to find only those records which are there in the right table and not present in the left table. Then in that case, you say student 1 right join student 2 because right table is student 2. Okay. Then we'll get a right join. With that, we'll get all the records which are present in the right matching records from the left table. If you want to convert this into a B minus A like this, what you have to do is pretty simple. Right join on the student 2 and say student 1 dot roll number is null. In that case, it will give only those records which are present in the right table. That happens to be student 2. Wonderful. Let us see this as a part of the hands-on. Thank you.